Hello everybody, I'm gonna try out my new mic, my wireless mic. I found all the wires I need to and get it up and running. It's got the ding ding, that's not the doorbell. What the hell was that? I don't know what that was.
I think it's working. Tuvieron algo, chuetones. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Why is it humming at me?
Sound a bit better.
Hello?
I don't know why it was humming at me now, darling. It doesn't sound better now. I think my wireless mic is working. It's a good mic.
Say something?
I said say something, that doesn't have that. So, I'm testing it out for you guys. It's working nicely. But I still have to get my back systems. And then I have to get another one. Whoopsie.
I need it. Sorry about that.
Now my system wants to fall over. Stay up there, please. So I hope you're liking the sound effects. Sound from my new microphone. It will be handy. This will be very handy, darling, do you know why?
Yeah, but
What one finger will do and once I learned how to play the guitar and that better, I'm thinking about taking my own little sing along. Once we find the other mic, we can put in the battery in that one and we can sing together. Oh, you know, it's gonna be good. So I'm doing a little bit of a podcast right now, getting it up and running and checking see if it works. So everything's going fine at the moment, dude. Everything's going fine at the moment. So a little podcast from the microphone. Hope you like them. Hope you like it. At the moment, this is how the things are gonna have to be at the moment. No little light, no little mini dude light. Until we find the other little plug system in it. So, but I have to find another plug for that. I have to find another plug for this. And I have to find another wire for to plug into this. So I know where I'm going to put this system. But I'll put it there in a little while. Stop ringing that doorbell. It's paining again. So I hope you guys like this. Let's get back to be respectful with the guys. So, hope you're enjoying this little tiny talk to you. Updating you and everything. I got the new mic system works. So, I'm gonna do other stuff for you for it. That's it for now. Podcast, microphone